Feel, do you feel what I feel? Can you tell me if it's true? So I know which way it's gonna go. 'Cause by now I'm gonna pull myself down before it even shows. Time, they say it heals all wounds, but there's still a little bruise. I hope you see I've tried to let it go. You don't even know, 'cause it's deep in my soul. It doesn't even show. And I wonder, am I strong enough to follow through? Who am I? Am I someone that's done something wrong? Who am I? Will I always walk this road alone? Who am I? Am I someone that can write a song? Who am I? Just someone you heard before. Why do I tell myself they're much better than me? It shows I gotta let insecurities go. 'Cause by now I can't give it all my energy. There's not much left of me. And I wonder, am I strong enough to follow through? Who am I? Am I someone that's done something wrong? Who am I? Will I always walk this road alone? Who am I? Am I someone that can write a song? Who am I? Someone you heard before. Is it in my mind? Is it in my mind? I think it's time I tried. I've left myself behind. Is it in my mind? Is it in my mind?